To come over.
I'm not even gonna attempt it.
The only reason I'm videotaping right now is because I want to make sure to show people how successful you were.
No, I'm not even gonna.
Show them show the world how you can do it, Bria. Come on.
I'm not even gonna attempt it.
Come over that bridge.
No.
Man up. There you go. Just steppy step on that one side.
Dad, this is not.
You can make it.
I'm already regretting this.
I'm pretty sure the water's really warmed up by now.
Stop. It's so much pressure when you're filming me like this.
Now's where it starts to get dangerous. I can see here there's only one bucket and it's all the way
Dad.
pushed to that side. Hard part's going to be getting back.
Nope, I'm stuck right here. I'm not.
Turning around?
I can't.
How are you going to get back?
I don't know.
Here, let me come on with you. I'll even it out.
Stay right there. I'll kill you. Dad. Dad.
Here we go. Let me just
Dad.
get my foot up here. Oh, whoa.
Dad, I'm gonna. Dad, stop. This is not funny anymore. I'm not having fun. This isn't a joke.
Whoa. You got it. Go for it.
At least I tried it. Now you try.